Hello, here's an update with a few things to solve some problems with Hummer installation to make it easier. So you have the add-on, this is version 0.05, and go to the install options and pick up a place to install it. Choose a folder without spaces. I'm gonna choose a smaller one. Pay attention if you maybe install on a long folder name or under a lot of folders, you might get another problem because the path might be too big. I recently received a complaint about that, but that's because the folder was too big. So choosing a smaller one tends to not give that problem. Okay, so you can get the module via that link. You go to this page and you get it, and after getting the module you put it in this place so you can unzip it, and I have it here, and start unzip and wait a long time. Now let's go to download the manual PKL file. We're going to skip this button. We are going to skip this button for now. We are use it for last, so it makes more sense. Okay, so if you didn't have it registered, you can go here to register. If you're ready, created your registration, you can come here and put your email and password, and then press download menu. Finishing the download, you press setup SMPL and you're good to go. Okay, now let's try to run. I know we didn't press the install last step. I just want to show something that might show up, and to be sure this will solve the problem. Okay, it's important for you when installing to have the console open. If yours isn't, you can open here in a window, toggle system console, and let's pick up a video to do a test. Let's get it here on top. We're gonna press to select the file, and we're gonna test with this one. Press run, and okay. Since this is a new machine, I don't have the redistributable installed, so I have to control click here to install it. I'm always testing on a virtual machine. I create a new one every time, so I can get most of the problems. Let's open file and install it. Okay, let's go back and run it again. Okay, so here is the problem. On the last version, I was explaining how to install, and we had this problem, and you have to do it manually, going to the prompt and type in some codes. And I made this install last step just for this purpose, so you don't have to go there and press and type anything. So after installing unzipping the files, you can go to install last step, and it should pop up two windows where it's going to do the installation for you. You just have to wait for it to finish, and it's almost done. Okay, successfully installed. You can close this, and successfully installed. You can also close this, and now you can hide the install options, and I hope that it works now. Let's see. It's downloading some files for it to run. Probably after this, it's going to start processing. Looks like there's one more thing missing, and it's that we need FFmpeg. So we have to get the file. We just have to look for FFmpeg, and can go to download and choose the Windows, and can choose this first one. I usually download the Essentials since it's smaller and have everything we need. Wait for it to download and I'll explain the next steps. So I'm going to explain the way that I like to do. You don't have to do exactly like this, but I think it works good, which is you can unzip it, you can choose extract all, and let me check the folder. Okay, here are the files. So I go back one folder and I'm gonna rename it to just FFmpeg, if I'm able to do that. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this folder to the root C drive in my case, and go inside FFmpeg, inside the bin folder, and here I'm gonna copy this path. And now I'm gonna right click on this PC, go to properties, and go to the advanced system settings and environment variables. On the path, I'm gonna edit, create a new one, and paste, Ctrl V. I'm gonna paste that path here. Click OK, OK, OK. You can close this. And now you have to close and open Blender again so it can detect the path that you added. And now let's try again. Hammer. I didn't save the folder for some reason. It's AI and accept. Close and choose the file that you wanna process and run. Let me put the console here again and let's check. Looks like it's going well now. Here it shows that the process is done, and after running you have to click on this red button so it can do a conversion and get the information of the process that you've done. And now you can import the Hubmocap. And I should remove this cube. Oh, look who's here. And let's take a look on this Hubmocap. You see it, but you can use a tool that I've added which can smooth that information. You can press complete graph plus smooth to make it a little bit better. So pressing it, and now we can play. You see that it did some smoothing. Let me undo and open the graph editor to show something. And now select them, and you're going to see the paths here. So when you press the complete graph plus smooth, you see that it made some cleaning and got a little bit better. And you can apply it many more times if you find it better. And you have much less janky hand motion. So that's it. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.